I will speak in front of him and say it to him. But I'm very honoured today. And I know Zoe, the story, the Blue Wing effect, and the visions and the missions and the values. It is the values. It is the values that these people will keep. Zoe, welcome. And with the blessing of the Red Darrow people, I give you that welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you, Linda.
Hi, welcome to the Blue Wing Show, where we're going to talk about relief, support, care and family for our participants. It is our mission to show you there is help and support and people that care about the individuals.
Today was our opening of BlueWing Care Professionals. As it is in Campbelltown, we chose this location as it is closer to the police station, the courthouse, and a lot of the community can access us a little bit easier than they could at Gregory Hills.
We would like to thank you all for taking the time to come today. We are very excited to share this experience and this event with you all. My name is Jessica Hobbs. I'm the service manager here and I oversee the operations here at our Blue Wing office. With all this growth comes our new decision to move here to Campbelltown, and we're glad that you guys came on this adventure with us. Our vision is to bring communities closer through life-changing supports, which is something that we hope to do every day. Our mission is to empower individuals and their families by giving them room to breathe and live their best lives, which we've seen on so many occasions. Today we wanted to share with you all our new therapy rooms, meet our wonderful Blue Wing staff, know all the services that we do, and share some food with us.
Hi, my name's Courtney. I am 19 years old and I have cerebral palsy, and I am the daughter of Zoe Norton, the founder of BlueWing Care Professionals, and we just opened our new office in Campbelltown.
Why are you proud of your mum?
Because she has helped so many people, clients, parents with disabilities, and now people have somewhere to go and someone to talk to.
I come here today and I see Courtney. It's amazing. It is. You don't understand how good that makes me feel, and it's a tribute to you. And to be part of your journey with Blue Wing Care and having opened the first centre and seeing the size of this and the number of people here, it's just a great, great privilege, and I'm very, very, very lucky to be part of that. To see now a child with a disability and know that you'll be able to get support for them makes a difference to the whole community and makes us certainly better as a community. And Blue Wing Care is part of that, and I hope to be here for many more iterations of Blue Wing Care.
I became a support coordinator 5 years ago, and I helped so many people change their lives, get better plans, get access, and just to help make a better community. I never thought I would be this big, and I'm very thankful to the community and everyone that's trusted myself and my team. I have a wonderful team that, you know, some people have come and gone, but they're still here. Some of them I can see here today. You know, I'm very appreciative, and thank you for everyone coming. I feel the love.